Mm.
Yeah, we have to write
Mm.
电邮.
Okay.
Then
So,
a few days later, then we'll have math and
mm.
English.
Okay. Okay, good. So if you look at this, how to find the area of the trapezium, right? So I think it's better to just see as this. Okay.
Yes.
So the one I think is very simple. Just this times this. That will give you the area of the one.
Yes.
Right? Then the 2 is also very simple. This is
15
7.
minus
Base
42.
time base times height, right?
Yeah.
Actually 24 don't matter.
Yeah.
So base times height half, right?
Yes.
So it's 2, right?
Yes.
So you just add these two up, then you times the h, which is the 20. That will give you the volume of the prism.
Yes.
Then just add with this, then that is the total volume of the cage. Okay? Can? So then for the total surface area, okay, total surface area is just like you already have this 2200.
Yes.
Then you just need to find
circle.
this one.
Yes.
Then of course you also need to find how many surface you have for the prism here.
6.
Plenty, yeah. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. Then you just find one by one lah.
Yeah.
So the way you write it is front. Front means this one
Yeah.
and there's the back. They are not the same The back is 24 times 20. Yeah. Then front back. Then left right. The right one you need to minus the
The circle.
circle. Then up top and base you just add all up. Okay? Can
Yes.
Good. Then that's it. That's the approach. Okay? Good. Next. Any more
Yes,
question?
this.
This one
Yeah, I don't understand what you're talking about in B.
Oh, in fact you need to sketch.
Yeah, I know.
Do you have a graph paper with you?
I don't have it. I left it in school.
Okay, good. So I will have one.
Yeah.
I cannot print it out for you, but never mind. Later you just can you take out just a A4 size paper. Okay.
Yes.
Good. So you need to do some work to get P equals to 88. Can you get P equals to 88?
Yes.
How?
I got 1 4. Is it no 120? But it's wrong because
You should be 88.
why should it be?
Then you just ask yourself, it says what? Calling out to all students, earn $7 per hour and a commission of 10% on your total sales made. So number of bottle energy, so 80
Yeah.
bottles.
Yeah.
So Christina is committed to working 8 hours a day. So she sold 80. Okay. So 8 hours a day.
Yeah.
So 7 times 8 hours is already different.
$56.
Yeah. Yeah. Then commission of 10% on your
What
total
does
sales.
commission
Commission means this. Let's say if take a cut, I think I remember. Take a cut, a 10% cut. So if $100, 10% cut means 10% cut. So 10% of 100 is $10 to your pocket Then only $90 to the boss.
So if you earn $56,
Yeah.
you have to times 10%.
The 56 okay. The $56 is not is not the sale. The $56 is
Oh.
your own one. Like you work 8 hours, you definitely get the 7 times 8, 56. So during this, let's assume that during this 8 hours, you make
Sell
sell, yeah, you sell things, yeah. You sell $100, then you get a 10% cut. Okay? So the $10 will add to your 56. Okay? So then here you get to see what? You get to see you need to do some work to get the 88. It's not so straightforward. So let's look at this. So 8 hours is $56. Can you see?
Yes.
So that means you need to take the 104 minus the 56. Then you know that. So 104 minus 56. So this is the commission earned. So basically your salary here is so basically the salary, so the income
Oh yeah, because they didn't sell any
is
bottle.
given by So the income is given by com
Commission and
plus the
hours you.
56,
Yes.
the standard 56.
Yes.
Okay, so for the first case, right, zero bottle ma, zero bottle you there's the zero bottle is zero com lah.
Yeah, so no commission.
Yeah.
Then you minus the
Then
value
for
commission.
the this one, so 104, then you can figure out the com.
Yeah, because there's you just minus
Mm.
56 find the
What was the com?
But 48,
48. So you 48, then you divide by
100.
no. So 48 is the com, right?
Yes.
So the 48, right, is actually 10% only.
Yes.
Okay? 48 is 10%. So therefore 48 is the 10%. So 100% is the sales.
Yes.
So 100% is 480 lah.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So 480 divided by 120, that is the cost of or the price of one bottle you sell.
3.
Is it 4?
Hold on, 4.
Yeah. So it means the energy drink per bottle is $4. So you apply the 4 to this 80, so it's 320, right?
Yes.
So 320 you take 10% commission, 32. So you add the 32 to your 56, that will give you what? 88 lah. That's why you get 88. Right?
How did 86 become 88?
This is not 86, this is 56.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand the com is 48 or not?
Yes, I understand.
The com is 48. The 48 is only 10%.
Yes.
So the total sale is actually 480.
Yes.
So the 480 total sale, right, is coming from 120 bottle of energy drink. So one bottle is 4 lor.
Yes.
So one bottle is 4. On this 80 on this day
Yeah.
is 80 bottle.
Yes.
So 80 bottle of 4 is 320 lor.
Yes.
So 320, the person is supposed to take 10% cut, right?
Yes.
So take 10% cut is 32 lor. So com plus the 56 for this day is,
Oh, 32 plus 56.
yes, so it's 88 lor. Understand? Yeah.
Mr. Low,
Mm.
you already gave the dollar per bottle.
So it's 88 lor. So therefore you get 88 lor. They already give $4.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind. So that means I'm trying to tell you, even they don't give it to you, you can somehow figure it out this way. Let's assume that they never give you lah. Then you somehow you can figure it out this way lah.
Yes.
Okay? So it's 88 lor. Then next it says using a scale of 2 cm. Okay lah, just draw lor.
But Mr. Low, isn't it like commission is they deduct from your sales price, right? Like,
No, commission is something extra you earn.
oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Commission is something you make extra, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So now using a scale of 2 cm to represent 20 bottle on horizontal axis, they just follow the thing exactly lor. They just Okay, then they say what? 2 cm 20 bottle. So there won't be negative lah, so I don't have to care about negative.
Yeah, there's no
There
like.
won't be negative.
Yes.
Okay, so basically your graph should be so if this is your graph paper, right, then you just,
Yeah.
I think I have a graph paper here. Mm.
It's actually very smart to do this way.
Oh, what do you mean by smart to do it this way?
You can just use, yeah, it's very smart to take a photo, then you can use it many times.
Yeah, lor. I've been doing this for so long already, so I know what I need. So okay. So 1 cm I think is here. So 2 cm is here lah.
Yeah.
So what's the question?
No, 2 cm is too green.
Hold on ah.
Yeah, because I measured it before.
So oh no lah. I guess this is 1 cm. This is 1 cm.
Yes.
Yeah. So 2 grid lah. So this is 2 cm lah. Huh? So they say what 2 cm to represent 20 bottles. So that means 20 bottles here.
Yeah. But they say in
Then,
the horizontal line.
40.
Oh, horizontal line is.
This one.
Oh, vertical. Oh, yeah, that's why I didn't get it.
And okay, enough lah. Enough. Then it says what $10 on the vertical. Okay. This is 10, so it's 20. This is 40. 60. 20, 20. Okay, good. 80. 100. Enough or not?
Yes.
Enough.
No, it's 100. Yes, it's enough.
Can. So 56. So 0 is 56. And just 50.
Yes.
So 56 is here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And 80 is 88. 88 is here. Okay. Then 120, 100. Okay. Might be a little bit off, but should be good enough. Okay. So this is your drink paradise. Then you do the same for the 0 is 80. 80 is 80. $120 is 80. Oh, fixed ah. So it's fixed ah. Means no commission lah. Means just that day, one day is 100 lah. Understand? Yummy. Okay. What they ask? Done. State the equation of the line for yummy. Yummy is good lah. Yummy is what? This is y.
X.
This is x. This is y equals to 80.
Yes.
Okay. Then part D. How do you find part D? Yeah, maybe you should try part D and E given this. You can follow, right, for the graph?
Yes.
Mm.
But why is it all flat?
Which
like,
one?
what we like she buy
All
one
80 ma, 80, 80, 80. The income's all 80 ma, regardless of the.
so there's no extra fee.
No commission. Okay, never mind. Try the D and E. Can see or not?
Yes, I can see. Mr. Low, can you make the graph a little bit to left side, a little bit to yes, okay.
All the numbers are from here. For the drink paradise.
The gradient for D, the gradient of the line is 1 and 11 over 15. Is it correct? It sounds wrong.
Yeah, never mind. So let's start off with this. This is 0.56. This is 80, 88, right?
Yeah.
So you just use the gradient is equal to y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2, right?
Yeah.
So let's imagine this is your y1, so it's 88 minus your this 56 is 80 minus, okay? So you get 32 over this 8, 4, 8, 10. No, it should be nice one.
Let me check mine.
What coordinate you use?
I use the 120 and 104.
Hold on. Then how do you do?
And 0 and 56. Oh, I see why I copied the number wrongly.
You should take 104 minus the 56. Then 120 minus the 0. Sub in, must sub in correctly. Must sub in correctly.
56, 64. mistake. Yeah.
But you can't keep making this mistake. I think the other time I asked you to find gradient, you also sometimes make silly
Yeah,
mistakes
2
like
over
this.
5, yes.
Okay?
Yeah. I know what I mean.
So anyway, okay, so gradient is 2 over 5,
Y-intercept of the line is
56.
56 and 80, right?
So
It-
56.
It's a straight
Y-intercept
line
is 56.
It's
No,
a
are you
straight
talking,
line.
which one you talking about?
Because they said, I think it's both.
Hold on. State the equation of the line. This one done already. Find the gradient of the line, the y-intercept of the line. I think over here they want you to find the
Yeah,
drink paradise one. Okay? Because they already asked you to find the equation of the line for Zami Palace already. So I don't know whether this for this one, right? They want you to find the Yummy Palace or they want you to find the drink paradise. But for drink paradise is 2, 5 and 56. Then for the yummy one, right? For the yummy, I think the gradient is 0.
Yes.
Then the y-intercept is 80. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, 0 and 80. Then using both graphs, determine minimum number of bottle energy that Christian need to sell so that drink paradise will be paying her more than yummy. So yeah, must be more than more than how many bottle? 60. More than 60. Then drink paradise will pay more already. That means here onwards. So he must sell more than 60.
More than 60.
Remember?
Yes.
Actually, this is the intersection point.
Yeah.
It's also the limit. The limit. Okay? If this person, right, sells 60 bottle, right, they end up the same salary or income.
Yes.
So as long as he sells
Over.
beyond this, yes, yeah, over this, then he will make more than at Yummy Palace. So therefore 60. Okay, so that's how this question. So I find this question very, very good. Okay, so I think this question can be a very good candidate for your upcoming exam.
I also have a question. I need question 9. Question 9, they ask for simple interest that we've gone through before.
You gone through it before?
Yeah,
okay, good.
Because
Yes.
we learn compound interest, right?
Yes,
Simple interest.
yes.
But the thing is, I don't understand it. Like the question.
But hold on, this is okay. This one is okay. There is when you buy something you can buy something upfront. Like let's say iPhone is not iPhone, too cheap already. So let's say you buy a car. A car is 400k. So option 1, you can buy it upfront. Upfront means you pay the 400k lah, straight away lah. But some people have this much of money lah, but who want to pay this one upfront, I don't know lah. But so generally, right, they will give you an option 2, which is maybe you pay 10% of deposit, or it can be, I call this the first payment lah.
Yes.
Okay, so you pay 10% of it first, then the rest of the 90%, right? That means I call this the 90% means the balance. This one I call it the balance. Then the balance I will charge you an interest, which is exactly this case. Okay? Then later everything add up, you divide by how many years? 2 years. So it means 24 months. Then you pay monthly lah. You understand how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now if you look at this question, so they say the computer costs this much. Okay, you only need 30% down.
Yes.
Okay, so therefore you have this
70%.
70% which is unpaid.
Yes.
So can you find out what is the unpaid one, which is the balance? What's the balance?
I got is 1,743.
Okay. So this balance you need to pay interest. For how many? 2 years and then 3.5% per annum, right?
Yeah.
So first year interest is how much?
Mine is 92.38.
再来一次.
92.38.
This is the first year, right?
Yes.
Then take the 1743 again because simple.
Yeah. Times 35.
So I get the same thing.
Yes.
That's it. So the total interest is these two add up.
Yeah.
So therefore your total, the total you have to pay is actually the balance plus the interest. The balance is this. The interest is these two add up. Can you help me out?
$184.76.
So that's the total. So what's the total?
1,907.76.
Then you use this divide by the 24 lor. That's your monthly.
I didn't add the 107. There's 100. No, 1,743.
You have to, because interest plus the balance divide by interest plus the balance is the total you need to pay.
Yeah.
I mean, not only you need to pay the interest the balance also need to pay You understand me or not? Because you only pay 30% mah. So basically you need to find out the total own the total owe to the seller. You owe the balance, right? You also owe the interest, right? So the balance plus the interest is total owe. If total owe you divide by 24 months, then that's the monthly.
Yes.
Right?
And then for B, right, is it 1,000?
For B is just the interest plus the this one.
Then it's 19.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay? Or you can also take this one plus the 30%, but you end up the same result. Okay, because you already take the 30%, right?
Yeah.
Then this one is paid over 24 months, right? So this one plus the 30%, you will get the same answer.
Okay.
Make sense? Good.
I also need question 1.
Mm.
B.
So this one is what? So what's the
Inequality.
rule? Yeah, what's the rule for inequality?
Whenever there is
Not there is. Whenever you
whenever y- let me
organize your thoughts. So over here, I need to divide by something.
whenever like you see a negative like number,
No,
then
no. You see, if you don't remember the rules, then no wonder you cannot do. Whenever you divide or times a negative number,
yeah, whenever you times
Okay.
or like divide a
Yes.
negative number,
then
the sign,
Mm.
the inequality sign have to change.
yes,
Yes.
yeah, you switch the inequality sign. Okay. So over here you divide by 3, right?
Yeah, I divided by 3.
Which is a positive number.
Yeah.
Switch or no switch?
Switch.
You repeat the statement.
Whenever you see
Not C, not C.
whenever there is like a times or divide,
Mm.
you have to change.
No, times divide what?
Times or divide a negative number,
Mm.
the inequality sign have to change.
Repeat.
Whenever you divide or times a negative number, the inequality sign have to change.
Repeat one more time. Then you see if you can do it.
Whenever you whenever you times or divide a negative number, you have to change the inequality sign.
What do you have?
I have 3 and
No. What you have done?
divide by 3.
So
So the inequality sign change.
Change or no change?
Change.
You repeat the first statement.
Whenever you times or divide a negative number.
Sing in. Repeat this statement one more time.
Whenever you times or divide a negative number, the
On both sides.
on both sides, the inequality sign change.
So how?
But you said
This
that
is what?
whenever you see
Not C.
whenever
Not C.
you times or divide a negative number, the inequality
On both sides.
on both sides,
So what happened here?
it divide
Divide what?
by 3.
This is what number?
Whenever you divide or times a negative number. Oh, then there's no change because
Yeah.
you are not dividing or times a negative number.
Exactly, on both sides. So over here you divide by a positive number.
Yes.
It's not a negative number
Yeah.
on both sides. So I don't see a divide or times a negative number on both sides. No change. Simple.
Yeah.
So x is actually smaller than negative 8. Okay? The x is actually the smaller side. Okay? So they ask what? Hence state the largest integer that satisfied the largest integer. So x. So you use the number line to explain it. But do you agree the answer is this?
I got the same answer.
Or this lah?
I agree.
Then of course hence. But you still need to
Remember?
remember that statement, okay?
Yeah.
Not there is. Times or divide
Yes.
a negative number on both sides. Switch the inequality sign.
Yes.
Not there is. Not C. Times or divide.
Yeah.
Okay? So negative 8, negative 7, negative 6. So must be smaller than this. Must be smaller than this one.
Yes.
So what's the negative 7?
But they say find the largest integer.
Largest ah?
Yeah.
State the largest integer that satisfied. Largest.
I don't know why is it the largest? Because if
There is no largest eh. Yeah, there is no largest. Because as large as possible. Okay? There is no largest. But it must be smaller than negative 8. Smaller ah. Negative 9 ah. Okay. So no. What I'm trying to say is instead of answer like this. Negative 8, right? Smaller than negative 8, right? Smaller than negative 8, right? Go this side or this side?
smaller than negative 8
To the left or to the right?
to the left.
Yeah, to the left. So the largest is negative 9 lah. Okay? Because negative 10 is even smaller already. Negative 11 is even smaller. So the largest is negative 9 lah. Make sense? So the answer is negative 9. Okay? Over here they test you leh.
Yes, but this is easier than the
Easier, but you still have to use the this way. Okay? So you just 4p.
I didn't use that way.
Okay, so you I wish you use 4p 5q. So they want they have the q here, right? Can you see the q here? Then to find p and r, right? P over r. So the p here is you divide by 4. Okay, good. So this is p. So the r here is 3r equal to 7q. So the r here is this. Okay? So you just use 5q over 4 over. Don't use over, use divide. Because it's complicated. So just divide by 7q over 3. Flip it. So 5q over 4. Flip 7q3. So this q done. So it's 15 over 28. Okay? Okay? That's the way to do this. Okay? Any other question?
I think no.
No. Let me see the. Okay. I want to talk about this question. Maybe you are wrong. Let me tell you what is the right way to do this question. A lot of students, they make mistake here. Unnecessarily. Hopefully you never. Okay, how do I start with is this. I always start with the real number 3. Did you? This is the real number 3. Real number, you split to rational and irrational. Okay? So what are irrational? What's the definition of irrational?
Irrational means there's no pattern.
No pattern, very good. Second one?
It's like it's going on for
Nah, non-stop. Yeah. Okay, good. So under rational, 3.
integer.
Integer is in the middle. Left side?
Is it fraction?
Fraction, yes. Right side?
Decimal?
Very good. So under integer you have 0,
0.
in positive in,
Negative.
negative in. Good. So what you need to do now is you just like kind of like 22/7 is under.
Irrational.
Why not fraction? Can it be fraction?
Yes.
Then, do you think it's fraction or irrational?
Fraction.
Okay, then you put it in fraction.
No, but if the
Mhm.
fraction turn into a decimal,
Mm-hmm.
it will be an irrational.
I know. So
Yeah.
now so basically there is this, I call this dilemma. So how do you decide?
I put it in the irrational side.
Yeah. So I am asking you. So if 22/7 is a fraction or is an irrational number?
Irrational.
If you think it's irrational, you still need to convert, right?
Yes.
So
So it's a rational number.
so between fraction and irrational, what do you think?
It's rational because it has to convert.
It's fraction actually. Actually, it's fraction. 22/7 is a fraction. Okay? So that means 22/7, right? It fits the fraction more than the irrational. Understand?
Yes.
Okay? So, done. Next. 1. Here. 0. Here.
Yeah.
Square root 5. Irre.
Yes.
Negative 3.
Integer.
Negative fraction.
Yes.
So please do it this way, huh? Pi 4.7 with a dot 13. So what they ask, prime number. So for prime number, this 3 doesn't help. So prime number is start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, no, 11,
But
then 13. Yeah.
7 with a dot, is it still a prime number?
No, this is 4.7. This
Huh?
is 4.7. 这个是 4.7,
It's
dot.
not
not 7.
7. I thought it's 7.
没有啦 7 how can be dot? You cannot
Yeah,
dot
then
7 啦。
I thought we accidentally put a dot.
没有 comma. Can you see the comma?
I can't see it.
This one. Oh. And some more only when you have a decimal you can put a dot above.
Yeah, so I thought is
Okay.
it we printed wrong.
Okay, never mind, so it should be decimal.
Yeah.
So prime number 13. 还有吗？没有了。
Yeah, maybe.
All the irrational number, okay?
Yeah.
All the whole number is under where?
Whole number is everything. Except for 0. And whole number has no negative.
Yeah.
Oh.
是吗？
I
Let's
think
see.
so. I know whole number has no 0.
Without fraction and integer.
Yeah. Huh?
Let me see. Got negative or not? No negative
I
leh.
don't think no negative because I wrote 1, 4, 7, 13.
The whole number are the numbers without fraction. It's a collection of positive integer and 0. Also 0 is under whole number also leh.
Huh?
So it's 0, 1, 13. Okay. So you need to know the definition.
I put 4 and 7.
4没有啦，那个 4.7 那个是 4， 那个是 under decimal, okay?
See the decimal.
Okay, so that's how you do this question. So you will not miss out anyone. Okay? Okay, that's how you do this question. Remember, when you do this question, must draw the real number 3. Then later fit all the number into the 3 first. Then later, whatever they ask, just pick. Okay? Yep, I know sometimes the 22/7 can see as a irrational, but it looks like it's a fraction, right?
Yes, it's a fraction.
Let me double check. So 22/7 is a rational number. Can be expressed as a fraction, right?
Yeah.
So I mean between fraction and the non-stop, no pattern one, the fraction. Okay? So that's how you do this kind of question. Any other question?
I don't think so.
Okay, good. So this one you need to have a bracket. Do you have a bracket?
I put a bracket.
I'm talking about here.
Yeah, I put
Yeah, good. This question is also about rate,
yeah, but it's like
proportionality. Let me see. I think I have a answer scheme for this. So maybe I send you the answer scheme, and then you go home and you can mark the questions that we have not gone through.
okay.
Yeah, the rest the rest. Let me see. I have or not. This is 2016. Let me see. Wow, have leh. They have all the solutions. Okay. They have the entire solutions. But anyway, their solution and my solution is about the same now. Okay. So I will send it to you.
This is 2014 now, 2016 paper.
Yeah, 6 years ago. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, 0 is included.
Yeah.
Whole number. Can you see?
Yes.
0. So okay, so from today onwards, I start to know that whole number is 0 onwards. Right? 0 on whole number. Okay? Learn something today. Okay. This kind of definition is
But a lot of people think that there's no zero in the whole number.
yeah lor. But anyway, you see that's the okay. So that is